Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing an ab workout, so let's get right into it. First thing what we're going to do is we're going to want to warm up, so we're going to do a couple jumping jacks. So this just gets the heart kind of pumping up, you know. Alright, after you guys do it for maybe like a minute, you're gonna want to get down and kind of, you're gonna want to lean. Make sure you have something underneath you so your back and your bum don't hurt. You're gonna want to lean on your back. Alright, put your hands underneath you and then put your legs up in the air. Alright, and then bring them down slowly and don't touch the floor. We're gonna do this for about a couple seconds. And then we'll take a break. You're gonna keep bringing it down slowly. This right here tightens the abs really tight. Alright, so after you've done that for about 45 seconds, I would say take a 15-second break. Then do it again. I would say do this about 6 times at least. 6 times or as many times as you can. This really does help the bottom abs, which are the hardest because that's where like most of the fat are. So if you guys do that, it will get the muscle there, and then all you gotta do is just eat healthy and lose that bottom weight belly. And the next one we're gonna do is still be sitting down like this. Okay. Then you're gonna put your legs up in the air, not too high but not too low. Grab your hands, touch one side, and touch the other. Let's get right into it. This right here is also an ab workout. You'll start to feel it burn on like the middle kind of. When you start to feel it burn, that's when you know you're doing a good job. You're gonna keep going. Don't stop until you feel that burn where you just can't no more. If you're feeling that burn, it means you're doing really good. That's also tightening the abs and strengthening the muscle, so that's really good. It's a really good workout. I would do this like every single day if I could do it every single day. Actually, I do this every single day, and it really does help. Next one we're gonna do is we're gonna lay flat. Put your hands flat down. All right. This one is all about like positioning. So put your hands, both of them, flat down. Then what we're gonna do is get our feet and go like that and put it down. Don't touch the floor. Just go halfway. Bring them up. Up. Alright, and what this ab workout does is it's meant for the top ones. Okay, so it does do the bottom, but mostly the upper one, the upper ab. So this is a really good one for the upper ab, and then the other one is good for like the middle section, and then the very first one I did is really good for the bottom. If you guys do this every single day, I can guarantee you a 6-pack in a month. Do this workout every day. Have a warm-up. So the warm-up, do a jumping jacks like I just did, or high knees like this. High knees are really good too. If you guys do this every single day, I can guarantee you a 6-pack in no time. Thank you guys so much for watching. Take care and stay safe.